another video today. So today we are gonna play Thick Legends, and I have made a lot of progress in this game already, but I just wanted to show you guys. So okay, so I have got cheese that I have to eat. That will give me strength, and I have punches that will give me more punches so I can be stronger. Oh, I already have grown a lot of muscles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Or is that 8? I can't even count it. I'm a strong neutral. If you guys want to add me, my name is right there in Roblox. Below strong neutral, that's my name. You can add me if you want. And I'll meet you guys when I get to 10k strength. Okay, as you guys can see on the left side of the screen that I have 10k strength, and let's now get 10k I guess punches, and punches will not take that much time, so yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with. Okay, finally I've gotten 10k punches, so let's go sell everything, I guess. Sold. Now oh my god, I got so many coins. Let's see what can we buy right now. Let's go to the food, and oh, this was 400. Yeah, 400. This video is gonna take so long. I guess let's start eating. Okay, see you. Okay, guys. Now I have 20k. Like I'm this big now, and before I was really small. And now I have 20k punches and 20k strength. And there's a lot of big guys here. So I think that I'm gonna sell all of this and see how much I get. Sell. Oh, we got 200. We got 200k. That's pretty good. Now let's do like maybe we need 400k. We only have 200 right now. So let me do 20k more punches, and then maybe we'll get it. Just gonna punch and again. Okay, so I have 10k almost punches again, and 9k and 10k. Now we just need 10 more k, and that was pretty fast of getting 10k, because I have 100 every time I punch I get 158 punches at one time, so it's really easy. Okay, so I have 15k now. I'm halfway there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How much? Oh, that was good. Now we have 300k, not 3k. Like what? We just need 400k, right? So we need 70k more. Wait, let me check the price again. I think it's 500k, but I think it's 400k too. What is it? It's uh, yeah, it's 485k. So we need to get like a lot of punches, like 25k, I guess. Oh, it's gonna take so long. I'm gonna post a video every single day, maybe if I can. And let's keep on punching. Oh, this is taking so long. And I'm at 20k. I need 5 more k. Oh, this is taking so long. Why did it take so long? Now I need 1 more k. Yes, we got it. Let's go sell it. Actually, let's just get a little bit of strength. Like, no, I'm not waiting that long again. Okay, let's go inside. Sell, how much? Do we have enough? No, we don't have enough. No. Oh my god. We have to wait again and punch. I have literally enough. And now I'm gonna finally buy it. Where is it? Food. Gumball machine. Yes, I bought it. Let's see. Oh, this is good. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. And see you tomorrow, hopefully. Peace.